welcome, and we're in Klong Kloi Beach in Koh Chang, and this is one of the quieter places. As you can see, literally perfect. So I'll just give you a little tour around. Massage place here. A nice massage on the beach. Sunny cab. Sat on the kitchen, one of the restaurants. Look at that view. So yeah, just gonna have a little tour, walk around. There's some lovely little restaurants and bars on the beach. Like I said, it's more quieter than Lonely Beach and White Sands, so if you're just looking for a bit more peaceful, yeah, this is definitely the place I recommend. So yeah, the water's really calm and it's quite warm as well, so if you want to go for a swim. The time here now is about 10:30 in the morning, so you can see there's not many people here. Another sort of little shop on the beach. And then you've got loads of resorts that you can book bungalows on the beach. I'm going to show you a couple. I'm going to take a walk inside and I'll show you a bit of the restaurants, bars, but there's about, I'd say, 5 or 6 really nice ones on the beach that I just showed you. Where you get massages and stuff. We're going to take a little walk just to a little town. Well, not a town, but a village behind. And I'll show you some lovely restaurants there. So yeah, we're going back past Ben's massage and have a look at the prices. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a right here at Klong Kloi Cottage. A little boxing bag there. Another restaurant. These are the bungalows that you can rent. Literally, you're on the beachfront. And like I say, it's a lot more quieter. If you don't know how to get here, you're going to have to watch my first video. And it'll show you how to get here. So yeah, we're just going to take a little walk, found some lovely little restaurants that I'll just show you guys, and it's basically a little circle that we can do. So this is just right at the back, so we turn around past the beach there. And we just turned right from Klong Kloi Cottage. I'm just going to walk up here, there's a few little bars. So yeah, it's about a 1-minute walk, and then you'll come to this little place here. You've got nice restaurants here, motorbike restaurant, little mini mart. Little bungalows. And yeah, I'm going to walk down here because I came down here and I'll show you this resort I found. So a tree house. It's called Treetop, where you can rent rooms for under £10 a night with a fan. And I'll just show you the setting. It's beautiful. And there's a couple of bars and restaurants as well. I'll show you. So look here, yeah, you come to Treehouse Cottage. You see that rooms available. It's got £8.50 or £6.50 bar a night, which is about 15 quid. Fan £3.50, which is just about under a tenner, isn't it? About £9.50. So yeah, I'll give you a quick look. So yeah, look, you have to cross this bridge to get to your bungalows, or your tree house rather. But look at these settings. Amazing, isn't it? Oh my god, there's a bloody monkey, look. Oh my god. What do I do? Oh my god. You come with my GoPro. See, I want to try to show you like the settings, but you gotta watch out for these little buggers, because yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna not walk past it because yeah, I'll have to show you next time. Because they just grab your bag or whatever you got in your hand, like my GoPro I've got in my bag, so they just try and he's following me now. They just try and grab it off you. But yeah, so we're gonna take a walk. I'm gonna show you down there the little restaurants and bars. See where he is first. Yeah, yeah, I'll show you the restaurants and bars first, and then yeah, we'll walk back down there when the monkey's gone, because yeah, I'm not getting robbed today, mate. No. So when you come out of the treehouse from the left, morning. Careful with the monkey when you go down there.
Hi, mate.
So yeah, another little walk down here. So this is just off Klong Kloi Beach. So when you arrive, like I say in my first video, you know how to get here. We've got, if you want to get a bamboo tattoo, bamboo here. Sorry, Gab. Got some restaurants here in Mandala. More massage restaurants, bars, nice pizza place here. And look at that setting, beautiful. More bungalows on the left. So yeah, we'll just walk down to the end of here quickly, then I'll take you back, show you the treehouse quickly if the monkey's gone. Like I said in my first video, beware of the monkeys, they're everywhere. So yeah, look here, I've got the settings and stuff, it's beautiful, isn't it? Tuk-tuk coming. And that's pretty much it. I mean, down here there is a waterfall that you can go and visit for 100 baht, I believe. Yeah, it's a nice little day trip you can do. Probably easier to get there by scooter, but tuk-tuk taxis easy enough too. So yeah, I mean, look at the settings behind me, man. It's crazy, isn't it? It's beautiful. So we're going to walk back down now. I mean, that's the end of the road, and then we'll walk back down. I'll show you the tree house quickly, and then we'll walk back down the beach, and then that's it. All right, so we're back at the tree house. Gonna see if the little monkey's gone. Try and cross the bridge. Yeah, then we'll just walk back down to the front. I'll show you there's a couple other restaurants, and that's basically the circle that takes you back to the beach front. So yeah, look at these settings. I hope that monkey has gone, man, because I've already committed halfway now. So yeah, these are the tree houses, the bungalows that I was showing you earlier, for £10 a night, £15 a night. And I mean, look at this setting. It's amazing. สวัสดีครับ Look at this, guys. Beautiful. And for £10 a night, that's where you're staying. So yeah, we'll walk back down quickly. I'm going to show you, there's a couple little restaurants, another little strip like we just walked past, and that's pretty much Klong Kloi, so it is very quiet, like I said. But if you're looking for a bit more peace and a bit more quiet life in Thailand, definitely recommend this part of Koh Chang. So now, yeah, this is the way the treehouse is, and that's the little strip that we just walked with, a few bars and restaurants and the tattoo place. And we're going to go back down to where the beach is, where we first came from. So yeah, if you're enjoying the video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Please follow, like and subscribe, helps me out. And watch my first video as well, shows you how to get here. So this is where we came from when we came through Klong Kloi Cottage. But we're going to go this way around. And there's just a few more bars and restaurants, and it takes you back to the beach just from a different point. So if you watch my first video where I parked, where we pulled in, that's where this is going to take us now. We have another little resort here, some bungalows you can rent, and there's this little restaurant I see, it's just beautiful. A little Rasta village. Sick, innit? Look at the view at the back. You get another tattoo here, look. And look where we are, man. It's a beautiful setting. Let's get tattoos done there. If you need to get your laundry service done, you can here. And then we're at Sea Paradise Food and Drink, which is back on the beach there, you see. And then this is where we parked our bike when we came in. And we'll walk back down the beach now, I'll just show you. So if you see behind me, that's where we just came from the restaurant. This is where I parked my bike. And then we're going to go back down to the beach where we went down yesterday. Restaurant to the left, that's Sea Paradise. This one's Golden Beach. So that's where the Ben's massage place, where I took you in the first place. That's that side. And it's pretty much the end of the beach here. So yeah, that's Klong Kloi Beach, and then we'll just walk. I'll show you the bridge that we crossed when we arrived in my last video, and make sure you watch that one, guys, as well. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you watch to the end, definitely give me a thumbs up, please. Let's just show you here, look, that's the bridge we crossed yesterday. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Cheers.